For example, bicycle reflector is actually indicating the presence. Reflects light, okay? But it indicates the presence. Look at how you should write. I'm sharing with you this example because the way that you think has to change. Spin dryer, it doesn't dry, it expels the moisture. Pen is to make a mark. Cigarette lighter provides ignition. Refrigerator, preserve food. Cable, conduct current. Bathroom tap, control flow. And so on and so forth. This is not what is generally taught in FMEA. I start with very fundamentals. Because only when you know the function, then you can be in a better position to identify the failure mode. When you say transfer fuel, then failure to transfer the fuel is what? The failure mode. For example, gas detector. If you say gas detector, we really want to talk about various functions, supply power, amplify signal, etc., etc. I'm just giving one example. I'm not going to, read out all this, but I'm giving this as an example for you to understand the various functions of the components inside the gas detector. That is, how something is done and why it is done. For example, all this answers the question why. Because it is to sense the gas concentration. And how the gas concentration is sensed by all this. I don't expect everyone to understand this, but those who have understood this, and bill of functions is also generally not taught in FMES. Okay, this is called bill of functions. Water heater also, for example. Provide hot water is what it does. But then how it provides water heater is, it first, one part contains water, one part heat water, one part controls the flow, one part maintains temperature, one part help to attach to the wall, one branding is to satisfy marketing, and one something complies with the standards and protect the product. So one more example for you to understand what bill of functions is. And furthermore, you can expand this. Heat water means convert energy, electricity, control temperature, and all that. I'm not going to explain this because we are talking about Lean Six Sigma Green Belt. And I thought I'll pay more attention to FMEA because ultimately, if you can prevent the problem, if you find out the risk, then that is better method of problem solving. That is the radar approach rather than after problem doing something as a rescue approach. That is why I'm spending more time in FMEA. Generally in Lean Six Sigma Green Belt, FMEA is not covered in this depth. But I feel that this is valuable, and that is why I'm going in depth. And this is something that is not touched in depth in any session. They conduct exclusive sessions on FMEA.